And I owe a special thanks to Casper Stanley from Stanley Creative for his help with the 3D animations and 3D renders in this video. Check out his awesome Rocket Explorer app, or maybe show him some love by supporting his awesome work on Patreon too.
Stanley Creative left the nose cone out on my request for now, as there's no sign pointing to SpaceX actually wanting to do that first hop with a nose cone, and aerodynamic covers would certainly not be needed for a 150-meter hop. So this is it, and this is what we would have seen this week, and that we'll have to wait for just a bit longer. Thank you very much, Stanley Creative.